All right, today at Cougar Chemical, we're gonna go over a little bit of a soft wash trick. We've got a trombone valve here. You can see why they call it a trombone valve. What it allows is it allows you to have high pressure coming out, and then you hit this, and then it opens up this so that you can put low pressure. To make a Venturi valve like this, chemical injector, Venturi valve, pull, and we're gonna have our SH, and we're just gonna take a little bit of our green demon this morning and just add a little cleaning efficiency. We're gonna put that in there, just about that much, don't need much. Have a little additional surfactant. Notice the green kind of dissipates because we know that our SH is hot. And then we just put our chemical injector in there. What this is gonna allow us to do is the chemical is gonna induct here and go out through our hose reel. And it's not gonna go through our pump or our coil or any of our system. So we'll be able to run that. So in order to get the chemical to come out, we literally just pull this valve back and you'll see it run up through this line here. And then we're gonna come over here today and we're gonna spray it on this concrete area so you can see how dirty this is. And then we'll show you the before and after effects. You get to watch the whole thing go on. So let's fire it up and see what happens. People always ask me, how long does that need to sit? I mean, a couple of minutes. It doesn't need very long at all. I'm just gonna show you all the effects of letting it sit for about 15 seconds, just so you can see. I'll close my trombone valve. Then I'm just gonna start the pressure wash right here in this corner. We'll just see what the effects are. SH is a great oxidizer. You throw a little bit of surfactant in there with it like that green demon. It really gives you a nice cleaning effect. Stay tuned, and Zach and I are going to get a surface cleaner and show you how much faster this goes with a surface cleaner. Remember, it's not clean unless it's Cougar clean.